Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy JoshFilms, and I just want to let you guys know a little bit of an update. This is a surprise announcement. I'm thinking about bringing back one of my oldest series on the channel. I know a lot of you guys want to see goodMonstershow. Like, that shit's dead by now. Like, I haven't done that series in fucking what? Over 2 years because of school and everything. So I'm planning on bringing back goodMonstershow for you guys to enjoy. I'm not going to stop doing Season 11. I'm going to continue on Season 11 with my newer toys that I recently got in my room. And interview them with Purple and Zeke. And then I was watching the last episode of the goodMonstershow, the Season 5 Episode 2, the Goodbye episode. And I was reading the description, and it said that Peanut Butter and Goof Pop Pants was hit the spot. Well, that was a misleading title. Purple and Zeke should do episodes. However, starting when I return to goodMonstershow sometime soon. Yep, you guys know it. Peanut Butter and Goof Pop Pants will be replacing Monster and Zeke for just that one episode. And then I'm also thinking about bringing back goodMonster Gaming. If you guys didn't know, goodMonstershow had a side series where they go ahead and do little Let's Plays of Club Penguin Win or whatever called goodMonster Gaming. It's the gaming side of goodMonstershow. And let me know what you guys think. Do you guys want me to return to goodMonstershow? Or do you guys want me to continue the content I'm doing now? And the content like my gaming content. Excuse me, sorry. Not the recording number, whatever, from when I was at Skittles. That was a very important thing I had to do for my channel. Let me know if you guys want to see goodMonstershow back, or do you guys not want to see goodMonstershow back. This is a quick little, like, I don't know how you should call this, not a blog, but a vlog for you guys, to reintroduce you guys to goodMonstershow. I really want to return to goodMonstershow. I really do. The show has been on my mind for quite a long time now. And I also was watching some of my older videos and laughing at them. So, again, also, if you guys can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers to go ahead and get my channel verified. Please. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm not going to do as many more videos as I used to. And, to be honest with you guys, this might be not deleting my channel, okay? But I'll keep my channel for a while. As I'm getting older and focusing more on responsibilities, I don't want to be focusing just on YouTube for the rest of my life like a lot of people are. So again, right after this upload goes live, I'm going to try to do a clipping we win episode for you guys as a live stream via OBS. So you guys can go ahead and watch that from there. And I'm going to reteach myself how to use the face cam on OBS. So I can live stream some clipping and win with you guys. And I'll also go ahead see you guys what server I'm on. Probably on the screen somewhere with the text box, so you guys can see what server I'm on. And yeah, where to find me guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the flip side. Josh Mary, signing out.